In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the calculator feature on your Cubitt Terra smartwatch. If you've watched my videos in the past, I like showing the features of these watches in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying it. And this is a feature that you'll find on other smartwatches as well. It works pretty well on this one. I'm going to show you there's two different ways to get to it. You notice I pressed the button. You have to press a button on the watch to turn on the watch. And then once it's on, you could use touchscreen. If you're a touchscreen person, I just simply swipe to the right. At the very bottom, I've got the option for all apps. If you're a button person, when your screen is on, you can simply press the middle button and that will take you to all apps. I can use the button to go through my apps, or I can use touchscreen. One of the options that you've got in your apps is the calculator. And it's pretty basic. You go into it, it'll always remember the last value that you had. I personally only use this usually at restaurants when I'm trying to calculate a tip amount or something, but it's basic stuff. It's a little bit small, but you can do anything you want. We'll do 9 times 10 just for kick's sake. You can use backspace, you can use clear. And then when you're done with it, simply press the middle button, or I could swipe to the right. When I go back into it again, it will remember whatever was the last value I had on the calculator. Works really well. Cool feature just in case you need a quick calculator. That's how you do it on your Cubitt Terra smartwatch.